What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'll be installing a red, beautiful bone straight closure wig from Shy's Hair. She's in Atlanta, Florida, black owned. So y'all go follow her on Instagram and show her some love. And I'm introducing you guys to a new model. Her name's Kelly Hicks. I love Kelly Hicks. I love her look. I love everything about her. So I had to bring her in and give you guys some variety, and it's no shade. So Shy's Hair sent me this bust down closure unit, and you guys already know when I'm installing closure wigs, it's way more simpler than installing a frontal wig, at least for me. So I did about 2 to 3 layers of Boldhold Active. I don't even think I did an actual nude cap. I just put the cap on, blended it to her color, and went in, because she has a lot of forehead space. So that's another good thing. I'm able to, do my own thing. Don't have to worry about hairline and stuff like that because she has forehead space, and it's no shade. Now you're just going to cut that extra lace off and tie her down, and then you got your process started. I believe I pulled the baby hairs out first just because, it's never... Oh, make sure you cut those tabs off because them tabs is not cute in the end. You do not want those to be showing. I go in and I cut those all the way out of sight, out of mind. No shade. Use your foam. Get that top flat. No Humpty Dumpties around here. No shade. And, it is what it is. We always use our foam. It just gives us that flat look. Pull out your baby hairs. I only did 2, left and right. I didn't do a middle one. I don't really like to do middle baby hairs no more, but I see they starting to be back in style. So I think I might have to do me 1 or 2 middle baby hairs. Y'all let me know if y'all like it with just the corners or if y'all like baby hairs all over. So now I'm just defining that part, getting those flyaways pressed down, and then I'm going in with my Kiss brown spray. I don't use black spray. You never want to get the color black when you're getting black spray. I just call it black spray, but I always get dark browns, light browns for when I'm doing like brown hair or blonde hair. You never want to get the actual color black because it'll be too noticeable. Now this yellow can, the yellow can is way stronger than the red can. I don't know what's going on, but be careful with that yellow can because it's like glue in the spray, no shade. So once you cut those baby hairs off, you want to go in and curl them and be careful. I did not like this curling iron. Yes, it's a mini flat iron, but it's so fat and bulky, so I felt like I was about to burn Kelly's face. I hated that one. But the one I like is broken, so I need to go get a new one today, no shade. Because I've tried so many different mini flat irons, and I only like the skinny black one y'all used to see me using. That's the only one I like, so I gotta go get that at the store. Period. Now I'm just using my flat iron by Beauty by Sade, and I'm just giving it a pressed look. Y'all know I love a bone straight look. I use my tracer comb. This comb is from the hair store. Y'all can get it at any ghetto hair store. It should be there. I call it a tracer comb. I don't know if there's a proper name for it. If you don't see it in your hair store, try Amazon. But if you do a lot of bone straight looks, you need this comb, especially if you're straightening long hair. No shade. And once I'm done pressing her out, this is pretty much the final look. Shout out to Shy's hair for sending this bomb closure wig bust down. I love this wig on her. It was very, very cute. Shy sent me this hair quick, fast, in a hurry. Y'all go support her Instagram. I will put all her information in the description box. Please go support her, follow her, order a wig from her. It's no shade. Thank y'all for getting us to 3K subscribers. Now let's get to 5. Period. Bye, y'all.